Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Ali Jawad. My video is about Yutong buses. Travel is not about the destination, it's about the journey, where we experience genuine emotions, explore the unknown, and believe in the good. Yutong makes every trip even more wonderful. Yutong is the world's leading bus builder by sales volume. It boasts over 50 years of bus manufacturing experience and provides safe, reliable products and solutions for various segments, including public transport, long-haul passenger transportation, tourism, schools, and special purpose transport. Dedicated to R&D and create value with quality. We invest more than 3 to 5% of its annual turnover in R&D and establish a special bus experiment center and many other state-level R&D platforms. All concerns of Yutong have witnessed the soaring development of the global bus industry. We produced the first dedicated school buses in China and participated in the development of school bus safety standards in China. Thanks to more than 10 years of efforts, we developed the high-end business purpose model Yutong T7 independently, which served a number of major domestic and international conferences and events. We took the lead to launch full electric bus with independent intellectual property rights. We have mastered core technologies in battery, drive motor and electric control and maintained our leading position in industrialization. We have an unparalleled standing in the global new energy bus market. We will protect our Mother Earth together with our 140,000 new energy buses. Manufacturing excellence to gain customers' trust. We improve the quality of each model with intelligent production model and internationally advanced manufacturing process, internationally advanced whole vehicle electrocoating production line. And coordination of different production process systems are employed to monitor and regulate the entire production process and ensure life cycle quality management. As we have promised, the market will never be our test ground. We pay customers for their trust with sincere services. We continuously upgrade our service model and improve the professional level of services. We have built an integrated service platform covering pre-sale, in-sale and after-sales. We have over 2,000 after-sales service providers around the world to deliver worry-free services. In France, we built our largest spare parts warehouse in Europe to provide customers with more reliable operation experience. Embrace the world and the heights with strength. Yutong buses have been extensively exported to the rest of the world. Today, over 75,000 Yutong buses run on roads globally. In Europe, we contribute to green mobility. 102 Yutong buses were dispatched to Norway, which is the largest full electric bus order in Europe. After entering the Danish market for the first time in 2019, Yutong Bus has won the largest batch of full electric bus orders in Denmark. A number of models have won Busworld awards. Yutong has reached important milestones during the European expansion. In Africa, we actively integrate into local public transport development. KD factories were founded to benefit Africa with technological progress and create more jobs in Latin America, Middle East, Asia Pacific and CIS countries, in more places at more moments. During more major events, Yutong is with you on the way forward. As we review the milestone we hit during our global development, we wish to contribute to better mobility in the world together with more countries. Remain true to our original aspiration and unite the team with culture and the management philosophy of customer orientation and employee orientation. We act with integrity and make steady efforts to improve customer satisfaction and employee well-being. We actively fulfill our social responsibility and contribute to the success of our global partners with whom we share the future. Facing the future, we keep exploring innovative mobility options and how to drive the future with intelligence. We aim to offer city-class mobility solution with 5G enabled smart driving and V2N technology. Bring the benefit of public transport to all instead of the globally leading titles. We are proud of the breakthroughs and contributions we make to the global bus industry and our mission and vision to bringing ideal travel services to all. In China or outside China. One world, one Yutong. Better bus, better life. Thanks for watching.